Hi students, welcome back to school. We are going to study something new today. Standard 5th subject EVS-1. Topic Our Earth and our Solar System. So students, in the clear night sky, we can see many stars. Yes, can you count the stars? No, so there are so many stars. They are far away from the earth. We look at them carefully. We find that many of them twinkle, but some not. Many stars shine. Twinkle means shine, but some do not. So now here the sun and the moon are comparatively close to the earth. So we can see their round shape clearly. Now sun and moon are a bit closer. So we are able to see the round shape. As you can see in the picture, there is sun, moon, other planets, stars, etc. These all are called as or known as heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies also include stars. Heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Heavenly bodies, they shine, are called as stars, and stars have their own light. Is planet having their own light? No, planets do not have their own light. The sun is the star. It is closer to us than any of the stars. Hence, it appears big and brilliant. In its bright light during the day, we cannot see other bodies. The sun is the closest star to the earth. Planets, the heavenly bodies that do not twinkle, they do not shine, are called planets. Can you see over here? Yes, there is Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Mars, Neptune. These all are planets and they revolve around the sun. Planets do not have their own light. They get light from the stars. Planets revolve around the sun even as they rotate around themselves. Experiences two different motions, rotation and revolution. Earth spins on its axis and it takes 1 day to do so. In 1 day, Earth makes one rotation on its axis. In 1 year, Earth makes one revolution around the sun. Beside the Earth, there are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. This path is also known as that planet's orbit. The sun which is a star, and the planets that revolve around it together is called a solar system. Other heavenly bodies in solar system. First one, satellites. Some heavenly bodies that revolve around planets. These are called satellites. Satellites too get their light from the sun. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth. Hence, it is called a satellite of the earth. One is the dwarf planets. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They are called dwarf planets. Of these, the most well known is Pluto. Third one is asteroids. Asteroids are small, rocky objects that orbit the sun. Although asteroids orbit the sun like planets, they are much smaller than planets. You can also say asteroids are the rocks present in the space. You can see the sun is in the center. The heavenly bodies revolve around it. The planets, satellites, dwarf planets, and asteroids are all part of solar system. All heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction or a pull on one another. This force is called force of gravity. The sun exerts a gravitational pull on all planets, whereas the tendency of the planets is to move away from the sun. As a result, planets keep revolving around sun at a fixed distance in a fixed orbit. A rocket is a long circular device that is launched into the air. An example of a rocket is a firecracker. Very powerful rockets are sent in space. A tremendous quantity of fuel is burnt in rockets. Our country is well known for development of its space launch technology. Astronauts. Scientists who travels in space through a spacecraft are called astronauts. Man-made satellites. Man-made satellites provide useful information for agriculture, environment, weather forecasting, making maps, and searching for water and minerals, wealth on the earth. Man-made satellites are made by man. Satellites are also used for telecommunication. They are put into orbit around the Earth. They remain in space for many years. Presentation is created by Mehreen Javali on our Earth and our solar system.